Punch testing a 1959 Cadillac, wiper motor, frame number 4904685, handicap number 5044358, serial number CAD_DADIO 1120-2024, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, low speed run and switch to park. Test number 2, low speed to medium speed, switch back to park. Test number 3, low to medium to high speed, switch to park. Test number 4, low speed, wash, and switch to park. Test number 5, low speed to medium speed, wash, and switch to park. And test number 6, low to medium to high speed, wash, and switch to park. Test number 1, low speed. And off to park. Test number 2, low to medium speed, low speed, medium speed, return to low speed, and park. Test number 3, low to medium to high speed, and switch to park. Low speed, medium speed, and return to park. Test number 3, low to medium to high speed and switch to park. Low speed, medium speed, high speed, back to medium speed, low speed, and park. Test number 4, low speed wash and switch back to park. Low speed, wash, to park. Low speed wash using the wash button. And park. Test number 5, low to medium speed, wash, and switch to park. Low speed, medium speed, wash, back to low speed, and park. Test number 6, low to medium speed to high speed, wash, switch back to park. Low speed, medium speed, high speed, wash, wash cycle, medium speed, low speed, and park.